This is how I study. Okay, the respiratory. Okay, so we're gonna talk about this whole entire area right here. Right here, I'm gonna zoom in. We have the nasal concave. Okay, nasal concave. We have superior, middle, inferior. And then we have the frontal sinus, sphenoid sinus. Right here, eustachian tube. Right here is the pharyngeal tonsil, nasal pharynx, uvula, palatine tonsils right here. From right here to right here is the oral pharynx. Again, right here to right here, right here is the oral. Okay, if you see, this is the mouth. So this area right here is the oral pharynx. Just think of the uvula and palatine tonsil. It's part of the oral pharynx. Nasal pharynx is up here with the eustachian tube and pharyngeal tonsil. Then down here we have the epiglottis, and then the laryngopharynx. Laryngopharynx, epiglottis. Laryngopharynx, epiglottis. Epiglottis, there we go. And then the esophagus is down here. Right here we have the trachea, right? Tracheal rings, trachea. Right here and right here is the cricoid cartilage, thyroid, okay? Right here is the cricothyroid ligament. Now I remove down here, we have the left lung, okay? Remember the left lung has the cardiac notch and two lobes, the upper left lobe, the lower left lobe. And right here is a carina, and then the main or primary stem bronchi. And then we have these two right here, which are the lobar or secondary bronchi. And these little ones up here, all around here, those are the segmental or tertiary bronchi. Alright, now these down here are all lined with a bronchiolar smooth muscle. Okay? Like I was saying, okay, so this right here is the terminal bronchioli, terminal bronchioli, then the respiratory bronchioli, alveolar sac right here, and one of these individual is the alveolus, okay, alveolar sac, alveolus, terminal bronchioli, respiratory bronchioli, and these little, right here, these little bands right here, they're the bronchiolar smooth muscle. Okay? Okay, so here's like a big diagram of it. Okay, this is the terminal bronchioli, respiratory bronchioli. These red or orange lines right here, these are the bronchiolar smooth muscles. One of these sacs things right here, these are sacs, so they're the alveolar sac. Alveolus is just one of these. Alveolus is just one of this. Then the red on top here, spider-like thing right here, those are the pulmonary capillaries. Okay, so this is the hyoid bone. This opening right here is the glottis. This right here is the epiglottis. Glottis. This in here, that's the vocal folds or the vocal cords, true vocal cords. Glottis, epiglottis, hyoid bone. Okay, another view of it. Epiglottis. Okay, and this is the opening right here. If you can see the little outline here, that's the glottis. And this right here is the vocal folds or the vocal cords. This on top of the vocal cords is the vestibular folds. Vestibular folds, vocal cords, or the vocal folds. This right here and this right here, cricoid cartilage. This right here is the thyroid cartilage. This little area right here is a cricothyroid ligament. Okay, and this little thing over here, that's the arytenoid cartilage. Arytenoid cartilage, cricoid cartilage, cricothyroid ligament, thyroid ligament, epiglottis, vestibular folds, vocal folds or vocal cords. Opening the outline of it is the glottis.